Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 10 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access battery. Then scroll down again, click on More Settings and tap on Gray Switcher next to High Performance Mode. Then hit OK in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, High Performance is on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same Now Below Switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!